Go! But to the future, Zenith trying it again here as they switch controllers. They've got one purple uniform bonus going on. Drivers have switched controllers. They're down to their final 22 seconds. 15 seconds. 10. 7. They're going to be able to get all 3 of the scoring goals. And at 5 point. Go! Zenith from Ontario, Canada. BMS Robotics from here in Indiana. .45 seconds left on the clock. We already have one scoring goal with several greens. Drivers need to start switching controllers. 30 seconds left on the clock. Drivers have switched. They got 23 seconds. We got a bunch of purples and one scoring goal. Another uniform color bonus down to our final 10. There's that third scoring goal. They're going to get a fill level bonus. Go. 2 teams coming to us from Ontario, Canada. Zenith and Automato Robotics. Lots of time left on the clock. They are picking up lots and lots of those blocks. Some green, some purple. We've got a scoring goal with several purple blocks scored as the drivers are switching controllers. 2 red blocks off their starting pegs, 5 points each. 25 seconds remain. Drivers have switched. Down to our final 20 seconds. 15. Here comes our third scoring goal. Looks like we got a fill level 2 bonus plus 5-point parks for both teams with time to spare. Great job for those 2. Oh. Lemon Lime and Zenith. Lemon Lime from Appleton, Wisconsin. Zenith from Aurora, Ontario, Canada. We got 2 big robots on the field that are going to have to try and stay out of each other's way while still working together. We got 1 scoring goal, lots of green, getting that 10-point uniform color bonus as the drivers switch controllers. Drivers are switched controllers down to our final 23 seconds. Now 20. We got another scoring goal with a uniform bonus with purples. Let's see if they can get this third scoring goal. Get that fill level bonus. They didn't quite get to that fill level. Go! It's Zenith from Canada. It's MSLR from Indiana. Couple of big robots picking up lots of blocks. We got lots of blocks that were taken out of that supply zone. 1 point for each block removed there. Drivers are switching controllers. 25 seconds remain. We got 2 red blocks off their starting pegs. We just got two uniform bonuses, 2 different supply zones, purples and greens. There goes that third. They're going to get a fill level, possibly 2, maybe 1 bonus there as time runs out. They got that. Oh. Lads and Lassies B, Zenith. We're at match 115. Middle school is going to match 120. Elementary is going to match 60 today. And we'll continue on tomorrow. On this field, the Lassies and Zenith have got good strategy going on here. We got greens in one scoring zone and purples in the other as drivers are switching controllers. Keeping those colors in those same scoring areas is going to give them that 10-point uniform bonus. All 3 goals have got blocks in them. We need a few more greens over here to get that fill level 2. They got 7 seconds to do it, and they do it. That's a 20-point bonus for these teams. Time runs out. They manage to get their park as well. Go! It's Zenith from Aurora, Ontario, Canada, and the engineers from Indianapolis. With lots of time left on the clock, we already have 1 supply goal, 2 supply goals. 1 with greens, 1 with purples. Getting that uniform color bonus of 10 points. Drivers need to switch controllers. We got 2 red blocks off their starting pegs. 25 seconds left. Drivers have switched controllers. There's our 3rd scoring goal. We got a fill level 1 bonus currently. Robots are trying to get out of each other's ways with 10 seconds left. There goes our 3rd red block. Looks like we might be up to that fill level 2 bonus, and they're even able to get that 5-point park as time runs out. All right. Zenith coming to us from Aurora, Ontario, Canada. The Cyber Eagles are right here at home in Indianapolis. Both teams have picked up lots of blocks. Cyber Eagles and Zenith both dropping off those blocks into different scoring goals as they switch controllers. They've got 2 color uniform bonuses, 10 points each. Team Zenith is taking those blocks out of that supply zone. 1 point for each block removed there. Looks like we got a fill level 1 bonus going on right now. If we can get some more greens in this scoring goal, it'll move up to level 2 with 10 seconds remaining. They got it. That's a fill level 2 bonus. And they managed to get their 5-point park with 3 seconds to spare. Nice job, teams. Go! Zenith from Aurora, Ontario, Canada. And yes, from Reed Spring, Missouri, here in the US of A. 45 seconds left on the timer. Yes, has got 1 green block scored and 1 scoring goal. Meanwhile, their alliance Zenith is working on the other side of the field. They've got a scoring goal with that purple uniform bonus. Drivers have switched controllers. There goes all 3 red blocks. 25 seconds left. Now we're pulling blocks out of that supply zone. Each block pulled out of there is going to be worth 1 point. Down to our final 15 seconds. We've got blocks in all 3 of the scoring goals. That's going to give them a fill level bonus. Will it be fill level 1? Will it be fill level 2? Here comes a bunch of greens. Can they make it true? They do. Fill level number 2. Go! Random access memories from Las Vegas and Zenith from Aurora, Ontario, Canada. 2 big robots taking in lots of greens and purples, knocking those red 5-pointers off along the way. Look at that, folks, as those drivers switch sides of the field to get closer to the robot. That's what I call strategizing. Drivers need to switch controllers, coming up on their final 30 seconds. We got green blocks in one of the scoring goals. We got purple in another. 20 seconds left on the clock. This team is going after that fill level 2 bonus. They've got it in 1 scoring goal. They've got it in 2 scoring goals. They've got it in 3 scoring goals. They got 5 seconds for their park. They got 1 park. Great job for those 2 teams. This is match 231. Zenith and Robo Planet, 2 teams coming to us from Canada. Working together with 2 big robots here, picking up lots of greens, lots of purples, knocking off a couple of those reds along the way. Drivers are switching controllers. We got lots of blocks that were removed from that supply zone, 1 point for each of those blocks. We got 1 scoring goal that has a uniform color bonus up to the fill level 2 line. Now we have 2 goals up to that second fill level line. All 3 goals have been filled. Looks like possibly to that fill level 2 line. Two, 1, go! We had 2 great big robots finishing up our tournament here today. This teamwork challenge has gone for 48 straight hours. Zenith and Infinity, 1 team working on clearing up as many blocks as they can from the field while the other's trying to clear that supply zone. All 3 red blocks have been dispensed from their starting pegs. 5 points each as drivers switch controllers. 30 seconds remain. 119 was the score to beat. They've got 25 seconds to do it. Down to 15 seconds. We've got 1 scoring goal. That's filled to fill level 2. We got 10 seconds left. They're going to have to really move. Down to our final 5 seconds. It's going to be close. Can they drive over and get that 5-point bonus? 1 team does, 1 team doesn't.